Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel MotoSpectrum. Today, we're diving into the ultimate home on wheels, the 2025 Kenworth Camper Truck. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling palace built on legendary Kenworth engineering and custom coach craftsmanship. Imagine taking a commercial-grade chassis designed to conquer highways in any condition and transforming it into a luxurious sanctuary complete with hardwood floors, ambient LED lighting, and top-of-the-line leather furniture. Underneath its sleek paint and chrome trim, you'll find the same PACCAR MX-13 engine that powers Kenworth's flagship models, delivering up to 510 horsepower and nearly 1,150 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power means you can tow trailers, boats, or even personal vehicles with effortless authority, all while enjoying a smooth, air-ride suspension that soaks up potholes and rough terrain alike. Step inside and let your jaw drop. A full kitchenette awaits, featuring a sub-zero fridge, convection microwave, dishwasher, and even an espresso machine for your morning kick. Across from it, a 4K ultra-wide TV blends seamlessly into custom cabinetry, surrounded by a 360-degree surround sound system. When night falls, slide out the hydraulic panels to expand your living room, then settle into a king-size bed or recliners with built-in massagers. Need to stay connected? Starlink satellite internet, dash cams, perimeter sensors, and GPS tracking keep you online and secure, while a smart home control panel manages lighting, climate, and power with a single swipe. Off-grid? No problem. Roof-mounted solar panels and a robust lithium-ion battery bank deliver silent, emission-free energy to run appliances and devices long after the generator has powered down. The bathroom rivals any five-star hotel, complete with a portion